Generally, when I'm fishing from the bank, I'm almost always looking for a point, especially a rocky point, and you fish the tip of the point and all the way back down the sides of the point. And sometimes the time of the year, the fish, they're just in deeper water, and you just can't find them, you know. In those times, I just go to the store and buy some fish. Oh man. My favorite way to cook fish, and I'm not really supposed to eat it this way, but is a beer batter, deep fat fried, beer battered fish. All-purpose flour, cornmeal, 2 parts flour to basically 1 part cornmeal. I add in the salt and pepper, the ground type, to taste. Don't ask me for how much, I just know how much to put in. You need a beer it needs to be a lager. If it's not a lager, it just won't really taste that good. Get a lager and then salt and pepper. Very simple recipe. You want it to be maybe slightly thicker than pancake batter. You don't want it to be, think of it as a thicker type of pancake batter. And then a lot of times I'll let it sit, right, while the oil is heating. Let it cook till golden brown on one side. Turn it. Let it cook till golden brown on the other side. You need a hot grease, but you still don't want it to cook too fast. With a gas stove, I found medium to medium-low heat works really well. Depends on how big the piece of the fish you are, and various things like that.